マジか。
The hunters get up early in the morning.
夏に俺がこう切ってしもてんねんか。
Hunting is around after the sunrise, so we move in the dark. By the way, it's Yuta, my brother-in-law. Yuta is working as salaryman, but at the same time is doing as a hunter. Climb the mountain in search of today's target deer. Deers are very sensitive to sound, so we need to work as quietly as possible. Climb a steep mountain road, cross rivers many times, and keep walking in search of deer. Suddenly, the time has come.
マジか。
After catching a deer, it is one of the hunter's jobs to change from deer to meat. It's a time-consuming and tough task. It's the beginning of a happy lunchtime.
チャーシュー。
いやいや、これは赤身唐揚げとか焼肉ですよ。
If the hunter have a great skills to remove white smell, we can enjoy tasty venison. Venison is healthier and more nutritious than other meats. In addition, local governments recommend hunting from the perspective of protecting farmers' crops. Dogs always support hunters as a good business partners. Good job, boys. Bye bye.